So guys, this is my new setup. Just added all of these lights here, all around the room. I got my ring light. I got the new Audio-Technica headphones, all white. Has a Spirit microphone, mic arm, beautiful, love it. I'm gonna replace this mouse with a Apple Magic mouse, and I'm gonna get a little white mouse pad here and a little phone stand for my phone when I'm on calls while I'm working. I have just my little Bose speaker there. Some art that my girlfriend did for me, amazing. I got this beautiful ambient lighting underneath that I set up. It's 100 feet, started here, goes all the way around. And that was one set of 50 feet. The other set of 50 feet comes out of here. I fed it through the back of this, back and forth one time, once on this side. So if you look closely, once here, and then once on the other side, so it looks even brighter. And then I brought that light down, looped it underneath the desk, so it's nice ambient light, and put it around. I think it looks great. I absolutely love it. Also, my girlfriend got me this Stormtrooper light, and I got some old Star Wars stuff and Lego, some Star Wars posters, and I just ordered a canvas of my Dichotomy album cover. So I'm gonna put that up on the wall there right in the middle. I think it's gonna look great, and I love this color. This is maybe my favorite color of the lights because it contrasts with the warm lamps. It's sort of the cool and the warm. And there's only so much I can do, right? It's my grandparents' spare room. That's where I'm living right now. But I think I have truly made the most of it up to this point.